Here are the lifts in Fairyland in Nakhonsawan. The lifts here used to be some very nice 1980s Hyundai lifts. Now, I ever got stuck in one of these lifts before. It's very scary, and the buttons have been replaced with weird other dewhurst buttons, and the logic's been errored, and yeah, it's completely unsafe to ride this lift. That's why I got stuck in it. Now it's been not modernized but refurbished, and they fixed the logic so it now works properly. You can tell that by the original Hyundai chime they still got there. It's a very nice feature. Anyways, now to the first lift, which is the lift in the museum part or the left zone part. I'm not sure how I'm gonna call this lift anyway. Yeah, let's ride it. Not bad. Now look, they replaced the buttons. It was being modernized. Last time it was a 80s Hyundai lift and kept broken down. I ever got stuck in this lift before. Still got that chime. That's the lift right there. We have a vintage museum of what Nakhonsawan used to be like. This old municipality. Nah. No, it's supposed to be open, but today's closed for some reason. Very vintage. I'm not gonna put faces on there. Yeah, this is a very famous blue rice shop. Very vintage. Vintage stuff. There's a fantastic world. This shopping center is built in the 1980s. You can tell by the architecture they have back then, which is very interesting. Now, there is a car park lift, but it's too far away to walk, there's too much people, and all those stuff. I can't go in there and film. So, anyways, back into the shopping center. And now to the depart lift. They call this depart lift for some reason in the map I took the picture of. Anyways, this lift is now under refurbishment. Now to the set of two lifts. I'm not sure that these lifts have been working independently on each other or they work as a set, because I didn't care when these lifts are in use, because and also these lifts are also staff only for some reason. I think they are staff only because on every floor they have like a staff only working area in front of it. So I think this is for staff only. But anyways, this lift is under refurbishment, but these still kept the original buttons in the front of the lift on the first floor. You can go and see there. It's very nice seeing the old 1980s buttons. I remember when I came this when these buttons are in use. They're very pushy for some reason. These are very nice, but sadly this is not working anymore. This is original from the 80s, but like completely